If you're serious about woodworking, mastering your router table is a game changer. In today's video, we'll break down the essential parts of your router table, explaining how they work together to deliver precise, safe, and efficient results. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide's for you. Key parts of a router table. Router base. The router base is the heart of your setup. It holds the router motor securely in place. Stability here is essential to eliminate vibration and ensure smooth, accurate cuts. Some tables offer router lifts, which make bit height adjustments more precise and user-friendly, ideal for fine-tuned tasks. Tabletop. The material of your router table's surface plays a big role in performance. MDF is affordable but prone to moisture damage, while phenolic resin resists moisture and wears better over time. Machined metal is durable and stable but heavier. Choose wisely based on the type of work and conditions in your workshop. Insert plate. The insert plate allows you to easily swap out router bits, and many models feature adjustable plates to fit various sizes. Quick, seamless bit changes are essential when your project requires multiple cuts or frequent adjustments, an absolute must for versatility. Fence. Your fence keeps the workpiece aligned and steady as it moves along the router bit. Adjustable fences let you fine-tune your cuts for precision tasks, like edge profiling or grooving. Always double-check the fence is secure and consider using additional support, such as a featherboard, for added safety and control. Dust collection ports. Dust collection isn't just about keeping your workspace tidy, it's a key safety feature. A good dust system removes harmful wood dust, reducing health risks while maintaining visibility and cleanliness. Most router tables come with dust collection ports that help manage sawdust effectively, keeping the air clear and your shop safe. Miter gauge and T-track. These are optional, but incredibly useful for versatility. The miter gauge assists with crosscuts, while T-tracks allow you to attach accessories like clamps and featherboards for better control. With these extras, you gain even more flexibility for different tasks. How these parts work together. When setting up your router table, all these parts seamlessly integrate to create a stable, efficient, and safe environment. The router base, paired with the insert plate, gives you easy access to adjust bit height without compromising stability. The fence helps guide the workpiece for clean, accurate cuts, while the dust collection system ensures you can work in a clean, safe area. Imagine setting up for an edge profiling project. You'd adjust the fence for the perfect cut, lock in your workpiece, and fine-tune the router height. As you make the cut, the dust collection system ensures everything stays tidy, and the stability of the table ensures that vibrations don't throw off your precision. With each part working in harmony, your cuts will be clean, smooth, and precise. For beginners, customization is key. Start with the basics, but as your skills grow, you can add advanced accessories like upgraded fences or a miter gauge to meet the specific demands of your projects.